Hi, Crafty Angel. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with a Dollar Tree haul and I will get started. I have three of those. Hang on a second. I'm trying to get it closer to me. And what they are is little treat bags. So I got 3 packs of those. And then I got 2 rolls of these to line my fridge. I have some of the little trucks. I got some ribbons. Now, one is a little red truck. This one's owls. This one's leaves. Okay, so we got those 3. I don't want to open them just yet because they're for projects. So, and then got another little red truck, little blue truck, I should say. And those are going to go on a different project. Then I found these stickers here. I think I got 2 packs of those, if I'm not mistaken. I can't find the other pack. Then I found these, which are cute. See? It has your perfume bottle, hairbrush, and necklace. This looks like a ring, a dress form, a boot, a fan, and all the rest is all nothing but words, and they're all rub-ons. So, oh, I have 4 of the little treat bags. Cool. And I got me some clothespins. I have an idea for that. And it's going to be something to do with some storage. I'll give y'all a hint now. Then, I saw these that are new at my store. That's those 2. I think I showed these before, but these are a little bit different. Those 2. Then, here's some more red little trucks. I got 2 packs of the skeletons. No, 1 pack of the skeletons. And here's some more Halloween stickers. And then we have this stencil that does this. It does these. See the lines there? And then we got these kind of circles. And then we have this one here. Looks like stained glass almost. We have that one. And that's pretty much it. So what I'm going to do is say thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content or when I go live or do a premiere. And also, please be kind. Be blessed. I'm sending love, blessings, love, and light to all. Please be crafty, stay crafty, be safe, stay safe. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now. Whoops. Bye-bye.